There they are, the dreaded garbage cans. Trash and recycle. Use them one time and then they stank. And you use them again and they continue stinking. Some people's garbage cans are biological experiments, but not ours. I am required in our household to clean these every time we use them. And fortunately, I've got OdoBan. This is how the lady cleans the recycle can and the garbage can. Step number 1, bleach. Step number 2, OdoBan. And it keeps them from being all funky inside of your house in the garage and stanking. We do the garbage every week. We do the recycle every 2 weeks. Homemade bleach and water solution. Okay. And let it rest 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we rinse them out and then hit them with the OdoBan. Get that clean, disinfecting smell. Like it'll take the odor away from an elementary school bathroom, if you know what I mean. OdoBan, ready to use, eliminates odors, kills 99.99% of germs. Disinfectant fabric and air freshener, lemon flavored. Dimethyl ammonium chloride and other ingredients. So, deodorizer, air freshener, pet odors, automobile, hard surfaces, soft surfaces. General cleaning, remove visible soil, then thoroughly clean surfaces, sanitize hard. Let stand 60 seconds and wipe. So we spray it in there and let it sit a couple of minutes and then we'll rinse it out again. Kills Escherichia coli, E. coli, Staphylococcus, Salmonella, Streptococcus, Listeria, Aspergillus, wow, and on and on. It'll kill human coronavirus, influenza A, H3N2 and herpes simplex. That's amazing. You're going to kill it by killing it on surfaces. Do not stick this in your mouth or breathe it, obviously. OdoBan, good product. We use it all the time. A little more of the spray. This will clear out rotten potato smell, fly trap smell, old seafood smell. Gentle spray, and then just let it drain out and let it dry out. Let it drain out like that. And here's the results. Smells clean.